Welcome friends. In this tutorial we study about Introduction to ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a software package which is used to create dynamic web applications. ASP.NET works on the top of HTTP protocol and it uses the HTTP command and policies to set up browser to server two-way communication and cooperation. ASP.NET used to produce interactive data-driven web application over the internet. ASP.NET Web Form extends the event-driven model of interaction to the web applications. The browser submits a web form to the web server and the server returns a full markup page or a HTML page in the response. All client-side user activities are forwarded to the server for stateful processing. In this figure, we can see how clients send a request to the server and how server respond to that request and send a markup or a HTML code to the client. Thank you.